In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image alt tag to your Wix website. Adding alt text to your images not only improves accessibility, but also helps with your site's SEO. Let's walk through this process together so you can make your site more inclusive and search friendly. To begin, you'll want to start by opening up your Wix editor. If you're not familiar with Wix editor, it's where you go to customize your website's layout, design, and more. Once your editor is open, locate the specific image to which you want to add alt text. Click on this image to select it. You should notice that when you click on an image, various options appear, including a small gear icon. This gear icon represents the settings for that image. Go ahead and click it. Now, this will open the settings panel for the image. As you explore this panel, keep an eye out for a field typically labeled as what's in the image, or something similar. This is where you'll type your alt text. Alt text, or alternative text, is a brief and descriptive text that conveys the essential information about the image. Think about what someone who couldn't see the image would need to know. Be concise yet descriptive. If the image is a picture of a dog playing in a park, for instance, your alt text might be something like golden retriever playing fetch in a sunny park. Remember, effective alt text should provide context and assistive detail that enhances comprehension for users relying on screen readers. It's also a great way to give search engines a better understanding of the content on your page. Once you feel satisfied with your alt text, the next important step is to save your changes. Saving ensures that your efforts are not lost and that users will benefit from the accessibility improvements you've made. In the Wix editor, the save prompt should be straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize and save your newly added alt text. If you ever need to make further adjustments, you can always revisit the settings using the same process. As we wrap up, I'd like to encourage you to apply these steps to all relevant images across your site to enhance accessibility and improve your search visibility. Accessibility isn't just a buzzword, it's a commitment to making the web a more inclusive place for everyone. Plus, it's always good practice to reassess and update alt text periodically to ensure it remains relevant and helpful. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found these instructions clear and beneficial. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you out. Until next time, happy editing!